Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope we are all staying safe, washing our hands and using our sanitizers. This is Shinori Naturals. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a cold processed black soap that is inspired by African black soap made in Ghana. So this plantain skin, plantain leaves, cocoa pod, ashes is good for sensitive skin. It soothes and heals eczema, reduces blemishes, dark spots, eclairs, acne, reduces oily skin, and minimize fine lines. I can go on and on and on about the benefits of these ashes. So this is what I'm going to be using for the cold processed soap. Okay, so in here I've got my oils. Okay, so this is the powders and my lye solution. I'm going to be pouring it into the oils. Okay, so I've been able to pour all the lye solution in. So now I'm stirring to get a trace. So this is our African inspired black soap, cold process, which is going to be a glow soap. Because black soap, we all know, is a super soap. You can use for the skin, you can use for your hair. All skin types can use black soap. It's not a bleaching soap. It clears your skin to pop up your natural skin tone. That will moisturize your skin while the powders are doing its work. So I've got my essential oils here, which is good for the skin. I don't use fragrance oil, I use essential oils. Everything is natural. I don't use fragrances, I use natural. The reason behind this black soap is, the African black soap can get softer when you are using it or when you don't put it in a container. So this cold processed soap is bar soap. Actually, it's going to be a bar soap which is going to be hard. So you will get all the benefits that you get from the original African black soap. Well, the good thing is the hard is going to be hard that you can put on your soap dish and use whenever you want to use it for your face, to wash your face. So yeah, so please share my videos with your friends, like and subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first. Thank you to our health workers. Keep on doing what you are doing best. God will bless you. But you also don't forget to stay safe for your families. Thank you and bye. Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are staying home and staying safe. This is Shinori Naturals. So after 24 hours, this is how our cold processed black soap looks like. So I'm going to unmold it and cut into pieces. This soap doesn't look like your typical African black soap because it's got a lot of goodies in here, a lot of powders that I used apart from the cocoa pod, plantain, and the plantain leaves. I had aloe vera in here and some neem, just to make the soap very, very, very active. When you use on your skin, your face is going to clear your skin. You're going to make your natural complexion pop out. Yeah. So let me cut a little bit of it. Then you see how it looks like. You know. So after 24 hours, this is how it looks like. I think it's more than 24 hours too. So it needs to cure for 4 to 6 weeks before it can be used. So this is our cold process black soap. The African black soap inspired. So this is it. It looks dark greenish brown. It's got a bit of all. So yeah, this is our cold process black soap. It's not your normal black soap that is hot process. You have to cook it for longer hours. This one goes through a natural saponification to make the soap, and it takes 4 to 6 weeks to cure before anybody can use it. That way it won't strip your natural oils on your skin. So yeah guys, this is our cold process black soap. Please subscribe to my channel, turn off your notification bell, and share with your friends. Any comment is welcome. Thank you and bye. Stay safe. Okay, this is the soap under the sunlight. This is how it looks like. It's grayish green. Well, it looks nice actually. So yeah, this is your African black soap. Thank you.